Came in with the style, with the flavor, with the $1 million attitude, smile for the haters, yeah. I've been making rounds, doing favors, I'm the man in the city, I've been feeling like the mayor, yeah.
Oh, check it out. We got the 5-blade back on there and a stock motor. What up, y'all? So we at the field, obviously. This is where we come to test out the stuff we probably shouldn't be doing. Anywho, y'all see that stock 5-blade, that 5-blade 10x7 is back on there. Still got that 100 amp ESC from Hobby Wing. Let's pull this off of here. Look at that Skywalker. It's waterproof. Mine is. We got a 6S Soco Ken 3300 milliamp hour 50C AR630. Y'all can't see off in there too far, but like I said, stock motor and all that good stuff. So 750 kV on 6S. Let me throw this on my noggin. And I brought a couple other props with me. So the 11.7 that I usually run with, and an 11.8 to see about speeds. We got the tracker in there. Let's go ahead and turn it on and then plug this bad boy up. Flying start. Oh, is Tim on the way? Oh, sweet. Tim on the way. Y'all, I rebuilt his Hornet. Didn't take me long at all. We gonna hope that I did it right. And y'all know I had to add a little sticker to a little Bully Breed RC decal. Y'all know it's from Lit Decals. Little sticker from Lit Decals. Go holler at them for all your sticker and decal needs. Anywho, let's quit yapping around and get this thing running. Turn the run cam on. We on the right model. Y'all see I put a battery strap back in there because I almost lost that one because I had a battery flapping around in there. It actually was strapped, but my goofy ass had too little Velcro on the bottom, so it was sliding. Almost crashed it out there. We won't be taking that risk anymore. I've been going just Velcro, sticking it on there and sending this bad boy for months. We ain't doing that no more. So that way, if I do crash, it's not because the battery was flopping around or anything like that. All right, is the tracker tracking? Yep, tracker's tracking. I already checked the CG. So let's put the canopy on there. And right. Oh, flight mode is that? That's flight mode 1. Ooh. Right. Left, down, up, right, and left. There we go. And you're also going to hear the stock motor. Check this out. It's kind of loud. But it seems to be working. It was working just fine when I took it out of there and put that Hobby Wing low kV in there. But we want to see if we can get more speeds, because my UMX P-51 Voodoo got me liking them racers. Ooh, spilling it. Drink more water or you might die. Let's make sure the run cam's running. Tracker is tracking. Right, left, down, up, left. Landing flaps. Y'all, I know I checked that multiple times. It's just a me thing. Hold on. This thing's tracking to the left pretty hard. So before we start, let's take a peek. That's because I need to change that landing gear. I got one that's, they're all pretty bent up, so I think we should be all right. Yeah, we should be fine. As long as you know it's got to pull to one direction when you're taxiing, you should be able to handle it. All right, and we're gonna wipe our hands off, because I always get sweaty, slippery hands before I fly. Don't know why. It's not like I'm nervous or anything. All right. Taking off. Yeah, it's loud, but it's flying. It was pulling low amps when I put it on the watt meter. Yeah, it's moving. Yeah. That's about 70–80% throttle there. 80 something. I said I'm not even going with it when we got a little bit of a cross breeze. Yeah, this is actually nice. Yeah. Y'all. Uh-huh. What's up, little bunny? Backing out the throttle a little bit there, because I don't know how the motor's gonna handle 6S for too long. We got a minute left. Let's go ahead and we'll go around one more lap and set up for a landing. And whatever speed we get are kind of with an asterisk, y'all, because that landing gear kind of hanging down there still. All right, 30 seconds. Woo. Oh, I might have broke that prop with that one. That stock prop's not the toughest. So if you hit something, grass, dirt chunks, sometimes you break tips off. Wasn't the best landing, so I can't really complain if I did break it, but came in a little hot. But we ain't here because I'm some landing pro or nothing like that. Nope, nope. We here to see what this thing did for speeds and whatnot, and for some onboard footage. Y'all follow everybody else on YouTube. should say everybody else, but other people on YouTube for the flying skills. It was like Tim just showed up. I'm thinking it did a good 85 to 90. I don't think we're gonna get much more than that from the stock pitch prop, even on 6S. Unless I go with a crazy high KV motor. All right. So let's find out real quick. Y'all know we're gonna unplug this battery first. There we go. All right, stop, read what we get. 93, damn, without doing speed dives. All right, stock pitch prop. Now we doing some speeds. All right, that's what I'm looking for. We might go ahead and order another motor from Hobby Wing, because this one, it's not gonna last forever, but I think I might do their 1000 kV and see what it can take. But maybe we throw one more battery in and then change that prop. Pause for the calls. All right, we back. Had to adjust that landing gear. You know what? I forgot to turn my tracker back on. I bet it turned itself off. Still on. Flying. Start. Tracker tracking. So I think we actually might turn this to a 3-minute timer. You know, right when it says 1 minute remaining, we just gonna land this bad boy. Right, left, down, up, right, and left. All right. Taxiing out. All right. Clear for a takeoff? Or are you gonna land here? We're taking off. Gear up. Yeah, that motor is loud, but it's working so far. Stop. Dead stick. Oh, motor's done. Yep. Yep. Killed it. They don't like 6S. We almost saved it. We'll see what we broke on that. I think I pulled the motor out. If that's the case, we have the option. Do we re-glue it? Or do we put a new fuselage on? Because I feel like Red Wing deserves a new fuselage. Because Red Wing's been through it. What's funny is it broke right where I fixed it last. Oh, I lost the solder. That's what happened. Ooh, she hot in there. Yeah, this thing don't like 6S. I could. I don't think I'm gonna get another fuselage for Red Wing, y'all. Like I said, I think this plane, if any of them, deserves a new fuselage. This one does. I think this motor's burnt. Oh yeah. Take a whiff of this bad boy. Like
Oh yeah.
Yep. I kind of figured, I was like, yeah, I don't know if this 750 is gonna make it as loud as it is. But that's about the best kind of a crash we could hope for there. And the camera was rolling. See what the speeds did. Stop, read, 83. Transmitter battery is also dying. That was a good time for this to come down, I guess. Shit. So we have the option / ability to just glue that back together if we want to, which I might while I'm waiting for a new fuselage, because I don't even know if they're actually even available anymore. I might have to buy somebody else's used Pilatus with a good, let's see here, PC-21 fuselage. Well, let's go FMS PC-21. Back order January. Let's see here. That's through Horizon. What's FMS have? I've never ordered one because stock's so low all the time. Sold out. Nobody has them, of course. So we gonna glue it back together.
Just get out the way.